welcome back everybody from the Mystic Element family. Today we're on part, who even knows at this point, of having Joey here, getting some of this crap pulled out and out of the way and make our yard look beautiful. And also part who knows what of having this shed, trying to get it down and done properly, you know what I'm saying? Right now we got Dan the man kind of doing the framework around the building, trying to get it right so we could just come in there, start laying concrete and all that. Got my bag of pistachios with me, got my boy Dad with us, and we finna get started. So y'all stick around and find out what we finna do.
Let's do this. All right, let's go see what Dan the man is up to real quick. This is a continuation of the work we've been doing, y'all. Continuation. Doing some getting this building together, y'all. So we got some blocking going on, so he's putting that metal down in different type of material, so when we drop the cement it would not be up against the wood. He's doing some blocking right now on the walls, as you can see. Get it going, y'all. Would you rather have that impact?
That's better.
Yeah. Setting up the blocks. You want me to try to drill a few of them in there?
Yeah, it's not gonna have to be surprised. It just.
Alright, just take a few and truck it. Let it go. Getting this drilled in there,
Go
man.
ahead. I'll hold it for you.
Probably gotta get another longer one, man.
Yeah,
What dig for a few? Some long ones.
gotta dig.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, that's
They
all.
just not hammering them out.
That's what we doing. Probably save some battery for some other stuff.
guys. I'm the cameraman right now, and I'm making a short video. Look at that. So he's gonna come and pick up these piles of wood and just, yeah, or that, I guess. Tilting backwards, as you can see. Oh no. Oh my gosh. I don't know. Let's go.
Let's see what these old men doing.
Didn't this look easier than the tent?
Yeah.
What it is watch. This is where there's a big gap in this concrete. Who cares if it bends over here? It don't matter. I'd rather have it bend over a little. If it gets bent over a lot, that's even better. Come on. Is it dead?
It shouldn't be. You got a green light on it. You gotta press that thing all the way against whatever you're doing.
Go ahead, just take it down. Yeah, there you go.
There's a lot of blocks in there. Come on, Tay, we're gonna let you get this corner, so I won't be bent over this corner.
Come on, Tay.
Come on, Tay.
Come on, Tay.
So you're just putting a staple in there. Pulling it tight, put a staple in there. It's here. Yep.
Papa.
Staple it tight into the corner and then bend it around.
Papa right here.
Staple using that Bauer. Got that Bauer going to work. Put it in.
Touches the concrete.
You said it is?
Yeah,
Yeah.
because he's going to overlap it. Go ahead, Tay. That's cool.
Let's go ahead and Joey, pick up those big rocks.
Throw some rock against it and get it
Can we
going.
pump water in here? Can we get any water out?
And that,
Even if we dump the thing and dump it over here.
we brought your thing too. Your opening up the windows. We gonna end up replacing these things. Took one of them off. Got Joey over here taking screws out so we can open up the window.
Whose is this? It sure isn't mine. I ain't been this strong.
No, that's mine. You don't have to take. You don't have to take that off, Joey. You don't have to take that
That was
off.
neat, David. And then the straw to keep the flies.
Yeah, the flies are. Yep. We need to get them up here and down there. Yep. Opening these windows up, y'all. About to replace them. Hey, Joey. Go down any further? Or one by two?
Now down here there's 20 of them in a pile.
I know we got like a shit ton of this property.
Alright, that's fine.
I'll grab you a couple.
That's all we need right here. That'll make us free. That'll work. Yeah, we will in a minute. Okay. Let us have that one. Hey, David, we're not going to give you an ass.
Oh man, right on the top of my foot.
A lot of people do the same thing.
Oh man, I would hate to see that one.
You got to learn how to fix mistakes. We're going to see how close. Here we go.
Yep.
Woo!
It's right in the middle.
Woo! What did I do without that number?
Got Joey working on removing the trim from over here. Let's see how we can get this off. But he's working on it. He's getting it pried open, y'all. What's that?
What do you think? Take a piece of that concrete board, it's the same thickness, and put it on top of that slab right there, and mark it, and cut it off, and put the Z-metal on, and that concrete board will hold it better than the wood. You want to replace all the wood.
Yeah. Or that metal, like I said.
Yeah, or the metal.
Look at that, y'all.
Backing behind the rock. You can't just put metal over rock.
Yeah. There you go, y'all. This is what we got done for the day. Inside, most of y'all are done. Get to start pouring cement tomorrow. Busy day, man. Busy day. Joey's still out here working, picking up stuff. But we're about to go. Don't worry about it, Joey. Don't throw that because you're going that way. Picked it up, throw it, but we're about to go. We got to get something to eat, man. We ain't ate all day. We hungry around here. Well, we definitely thank y'all for tuning in and checking us out.